What if every piece of content posted reached 40% of the audience? Not 4%, not 9%, not the 1 to 3% that social media delivers to most creators today, but 40% every single time, with no algorithm deciding who sees it. That is not a hypothetical. That is the average open rate of a niche email newsletter in 2026. And that single number is why the smartest creators are quietly abandoning social media as their primary platform and building something that no algorithm can touch. A newsletter is different. Every subscriber opted in directly. No platform stands between the content and the reader. No update can reduce that reach to zero. That is why newsletters are generating more consistent, compounding income in 2026 than almost any other content format available. Since 2020, organic reach across every major social platform has declined. Instagram organic reach dropped to an average of 9% by 2024, meaning a page with 100,000 followers reaches roughly 9,000 people per post. LinkedIn organic reach fell over 20% between 2022 and 2024. YouTube demonetized entire content categories without warning, cutting creator revenue overnight. Every one of those platforms owns the relationship between creator and audience. The creator is a tenant. The platform is the landlord. And landlords change the terms whenever it benefits them. An email subscriber is different. That person typed in an address, confirmed a subscription, and made a deliberate decision to receive the content. That relationship belongs to the creator permanently, outside any platform, algorithm, or policy change. Average email open rates for niche newsletters sit between 35% and 50%. The average organic social media post reaches between 1% and 5% of followers. That gap explains why the newsletter model is compounding while the social media model is eroding. The business model is straightforward. A free newsletter builds the subscriber list. The list gets monetized through multiple revenue streams simultaneously. As the list grows, every revenue stream scales with it. No camera required. No existing following required. No video production required. Here is how the money works. Every monetization method available in 2026. The first method is sponsorships. Brands pay to be featured in a newsletter issue. The standard rate is between $20 and $50 per 1,000 subscribers per placement. A newsletter with 5,000 subscribers charges between £100 and $250 per sponsored mention. A newsletter with 50,000 subscribers commands between $1,000 and $2,500 per issue. Publishing weekly means 4 placements per month. Sponsorships become viable from around 1,000 subscribers in a focused niche. The second method is paid subscriptions. A portion of a free subscriber list will pay for premium content, deeper analysis, exclusive resources, or ad-free reading. Standard pricing runs between £5 and £15 per month. 1,000 paid subscribers at $10 per month generates $10,000 in monthly recurring revenue every month, regardless of algorithm changes or platform policy updates. Substack's data shows newsletters converting just 5% of free subscribers to paid generate sustainable full-time income once the free list exceeds 10,000 subscribers. The third method is affiliate marketing. Every issue can include recommendations for relevant products. When a subscriber clicks and purchases, the operator earns a commission. Newsletter affiliate marketing converts at higher rates than social media because the reader is already interested in the niche and has built trust over multiple issues. This works from the very first subscriber with no minimum list size. The fourth method is selling digital products directly to the list. A newsletter audience is the warmest possible customer base. These are people who have read the content, built trust over multiple issues, and already demonstrated interest in the niche. Selling a PDF guide, a course, or a template pack to a newsletter list consistently outperforms selling the same product to a cold social media audience. Margin is close to 100%. No platform takes a cut. The fifth method is consulting and high-ticket services. A small, engaged newsletter list generates high-ticket clients more reliably than a large, passive social following. A newsletter with 2,000 readers in a business niche produces more consulting inquiries than an Instagram account with 20,000 followers in the same niche, because newsletter subscribers read, trust, and act. The newsletter does the selling passively over time. The sixth method is a paid community. A Discord server or private community connected to the newsletter creates a recurring revenue layer on top of the content. Members pay between £10 and $50 per month for access, direct interaction, and peer networking. This works because newsletter subscribers already trust the creator enough to pay. Adding a community gives them a reason to pay monthly. These 6 methods are not mutually exclusive. A newsletter with 10,000 subscribers can run sponsorships, convert a portion to paid subscriptions, earn affiliate commissions, sell a digital product, and attach a community, all from one email list, publishing once per week. Now the platform comparison. 3 platforms dominate in 2026, and each serves a different goal. Beehiiv is the most powerful platform for operators focused on scale and ad revenue. Free up to 2,500 subscribers. Paid plans start at $39 per month and unlock the built-in ad network, which automatically matches newsletters with relevant advertisers, removing the need to pitch sponsors manually. Beehiiv also has a boost system. Pay a fixed amount per new subscriber acquired through cross-promotion with other newsletters on the platform. For creators prioritizing list growth and sponsorship revenue, Beehiiv is the most complete tool available. Substack is the simplest entry point for paid subscriptions. No upfront cost. Substack takes a 10% cut of subscription revenue, meaning the platform earns only when the creator earns. Substack also has built-in discovery. Readers browsing the platform find and subscribe to new newsletters organically, providing a passive growth channel no other platform offers. For creators whose primary goal is paid subscriptions, Substack removes every technical and financial barrier. ConvertKit, now rebranded as Kit, is the strongest platform for creators selling their own products. It has the most sophisticated email automation of the 3, subscriber behavior triggers, purchase-based segmentation, and advanced funnel building. Kit starts at $25 per month with no revenue cut. For creators using the newsletter as the top of a funnel leading to courses, coaching, or digital products, Kit's automation justifies the cost. The choice comes down to one question: what is the primary monetization goal? Sponsorships and scale. Beehiiv. Paid subscriptions. Substack. Selling own products. Kit. Growing the list without an existing following comes down to 3 methods. The first is a lead magnet, a free resource a visitor receives in exchange for their email address. It must solve one specific problem for one specific reader in the shortest possible time. Specific lead magnets convert. Vague ones do not. Posted in a relevant Reddit community or niche Facebook group, a strong lead magnet generates hundreds of subscribers with 0 ad spend. The second is Beehiiv Boosts. Set a price per new subscriber, typically between £1 and $3, and other newsletters on the platform recommend it to their readers. Cost per subscriber is significantly lower than paid social advertising, and the subscribers acquired are already proven newsletter readers. The third is cross-newsletter referrals. Reaching out to 3 to 5 newsletters in adjacent non-competing niches and proposing a mutual mention costs nothing. Both newsletters grow. This works at any list size. The 30-day launch plan. Week 1. Pick a niche, create a lead magnet, set up a free account on Beehiiv or Substack. Week 2. Publish 3 issues, post the lead magnet in relevant online communities. Week 3. Activate Beehiiv Boosts or arrange 2 cross-promotion swaps. Add affiliate links to each issue. Week 4. Send a first sponsor pitch or activate the Beehiiv ad network. Evaluate which content drove the most opens. The first monetization event typically arrives between day 20 and day 45 for a newsletter in a focused, commercially viable niche. Starting cost is 0 on both Substack and Beehiiv, up to 2,500 subscribers. Social media algorithms will keep changing. Reach will keep declining. The creators who built on rented platforms will keep starting over every time the rules shift. Every newsletter subscriber compounds. Every issue builds trust. every monetization method scales with the list, not with platform approval. The window to build in this space is narrowing as more creators make the same shift. The ones starting now are entering before the crowding begins. Drop a comment with the niche being considered for a newsletter. The next video covers the specific newsletter niches generating the most revenue per subscriber in 2026.